Welcome to the admin dashboard for Launchpad6 ContestPad. In this video, I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the main functions of the Launchpad6 dashboard. On the left hand side, you'll notice the dashboard, which is the default icon which will be selected when you first log in. This gives you some high level metrics on your contest, including things like where people are from, the browsers they're using, the pages that they're visiting, so on and so forth. The next icon down is where you set up all of your multiple contests. You can create multiple contests, but you can only have one published at any one time. This is also where you go in and manage your contest settings, as well as get access to all of the entries for each of your contests. Under the users and groups is where it lists all of the users that have either registered to access your contest or all of the administrators who are used to actually administer your contest and get access to this dashboard. You can set up also groups, which allows you to set security permissions on what people can do in your contest, as well as collecting custom user and user fields. So if you want to collect certain things about your users, you can set up fields so that you can capture that information. In the pages and themes area, this is where you set up the look and feel of your contest. You're provided with some standard themes, which gives you a little bit of inspiration as to how your contest will look like. You can edit your themes using the simple theme editor, which allows you to change things like logos, pictures, copy, so on and so forth. Plus, in a more advanced code editor where you can get in there and update HTML, CSS, JavaScript if you've got a little bit of customization or development skills, and allows you to do almost anything to make your contest look however you want it to look. You can also have multiple themes active at any one time. This is really useful if you want to set up multiple themes to support different languages. And you can also copy your themes, so if you don't have to start from scratch each time as you create new contests, or if you want to set up multiple language themes. You also have the static pages area. This is where you set up standard static pages, things like terms and conditions, maybe company profiles, judges profiles, so on and so forth. You can create these standard pages and then link them to your main contest site within your theme editor. Up the top, you will see there's the visit site. This is where you can actually go and have a look at what your site would look like to the general public. You can get back to your dashboard just by hitting the View Dashboard button at the top left-hand corner. There's a little cog on the right-hand side. This is where you set up all of your site settings, things like domains, restrictions to your site, maintenance screens, the name of your contest site, so on and so forth. So there's a whole bunch of different settings in there that allow you to set those things up. In the profile area, that's where you can have a look at your profile, and you can also update your password, changing avatar, setting your username, all those sorts of things. In the accounts and billing area, this is where you can set up your billing details, including things like your credit card, and also being able to view your invoices for any invoices that have been provided that you've either paid or are waiting for payment. Importantly, this is also where you can close the site. So if you want to end your subscription, you can hit close site, and then when your next billing period is due, the site will be automatically shut down. You can also, from the top right hand question mark, is actually log tickets directly to the Launchpad6 support team. So if you've got any questions or issues with the platform, you can log and create tickets directly from within the dashboard. Also, soon to be, there will be a area here where you can get access directly to user documentation and help information. Well, that's a high level overview of the dashboard. Thanks for listening. In following videos, we'll go into a little bit more details on the features and functionality of the ContestPad platform.